Hello friends, this is Aditi Pawar and my team from Indian Aerospace and Engineering are here to give information about capacitors, types of capacitors, factors affecting capacitance and construction of the capacitors. Now I would like to call Suraj from my team to give information about the capacitors.
Thank you for calling me, Aditi. So now I will explain about what is capacitor. So a capacitor is a device in which we store electrical energy in an electrical circuit. Capacitors are invented by Charles Pollack. We use capacitor from 200 years in our circuit design. The ability of capacitor to store electrical charge in the capacitor is known as. We can find capacitance by this formula, and the formula of capacitance is equal to permittivity area upon distance, and the units of capacitance are coulomb, volt, farad, microfarad. I would like to call Bishal for further explanation. Thank you.
Thank you, Suraj, for calling me. Now I am going to explain about types of capacitor. So there are two types of capacitor, fixed and variable. And apart from that, we have polarized capacitor and unpolarized capacitor. In unpolarized capacitor, the positive and negative terminals are made up of metals, and in unpolarized capacitor, we can connect in either way. Fixed capacitor, we have electrolytic capacitor, mica capacitor, ceramic capacitor and super capacitor and many more. But in variable capacitor, we have primer capacitor. It is mainly used to contain large amount of electric charges, and we use that capacitor in our modern mobile phones or in the CPU system. And mica capacitor, in that capacitor we use silver mica as a dielectric material, and but it is so large in sizes and came in very costly, so we replace them with some other capacitor nowadays. And in ceramic capacitor, it is very stable capacitor, and it is very good in thermal stability. And now in variable capacitor, we have trimmer capacitor, in which we can adjust the plate of the capacitor to change its capacity. Thank you. For further explanation, I would call
Vishal. Me, Saili, Amandeep and Swapnali are here to explain about the factors affecting capacitance of a capacitor. So, several factors affect the capacitance of a capacitor. Affecting the capacitance of a capacitor is the plate area. Plate area, according to the formula of capacitance, C is equals to permittivity A upon D. Plate area is directly proportional to the capacitance of a capacitor. Greater the plate area, greater will be the capacitance. Less the plate area, less will be the capacitance. Considering that all other factors affecting the capacitance of a capacitor is plate spacing. Spacing is the distance between the two plates. According to the formula of capacitance, C is equals to permittivity A upon D. Capacitance is inversely proportional to plate spacing. Greater the plate spacing, less will be the capacitance. Less the plate spacing, greater will be the capacitance. Third factor affecting the capacitance of a capacitor is dielectric. All other factors permittivity of a dielectric give greater capacitance, and less will give less capacitance. So here we have prepared a list of material and the relative permittivity. Thank you.
Now I am going to explain working of capacitor. As you can see, a simple capacitor is made up of two parallel plates. In between them a dielectric substance which is non-conductor. As you can see here, we have taken plastic as a dielectric substance and silver foil as a conductor, which we have taken 5 terminals as each side and connected with wire. So red one is a positive one and black one is a negative. As we start the current flow through red one, and to complete the circuit, current comes out from black. I conclude myself, and now I like to invite Prasad.
Thank you, Tejas, for calling me. Now I would like to ask you some questions. My first question is, what is capacitor? My next question is, what are the factors affecting capacitance? My last question is, what is the unit of capacitance?